time for breakfast. Apple.
No apples?
I know. Door. LazyTown, a place where you'll wanna stay. You'll meet Robbie with his rotten plan, and Spartacus saving the day. Stephanie is new in town, and soon she and Ziggy are friends. With Pixel, Stingy, and Trixie too, they're gonna have a blast together. Go, 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 get a LazyTown. It's the start of a brand new day. Things are upside down here in LazyTown. Adventure's just a moment away.
Remote control. Uncle, I'm gonna go play football.
Yes, of course.
And I need a good breakfast fast.
Football, football, football. You know, I was once a great football player. Oh, yes, I remember it well. They called me Mad Dog Means Well. Ah, Miss Busybody loved to watch me play. But one time, I got my shoes stuck in the mud. Oh,
Thanks,
yes,
Uncle.
I had to
Bye.
make my way out and have fun.
Oh, there is that pink girl again. What is he doing? More sports? Oh. Oh, there's that blue elf again. Oh, where did he go? Why can't he stand still?
Spartacus!
Hi, Stephanie.
Hey, Spartacus.
Yes?
Could you teach us how to play football?
Football!
Great. I'll go get the other kids.
Okay.
Hey, guys!
Hello.
Spartacus is gonna play football with us.
I'm already there. Yeah, me too. My shoelaces. Are you coming? Come on, come on. My shoelaces are untied again.
Pixel, come on.
Hey, kids, are you ready?
Yeah, wait for me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Stephanie hikes the ball to Ziggy. Ready? 321, 321. Hut, hut, hey!
Wow.
And Ziggy tosses the ball to me.
Yeah, I'll try.
Then I pass the ball to Pixel. And Pixel runs downfield for the touchdown.
Yeah!
Okay, shall we try it?
Yeah, let's play it.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, he thinks he's so good. Oh. I have to stop that guy. Oh, that guy makes me so mad. Well, who cares? I don't. And I'm not offended.
Ziggy, are you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Candy, candy, candy. Hike.
And Ziggy tossed it to me.
Yeah!
Yeah.
And Pixel.
I got it.
Pixel!
Ouch.
Where'd Pixel go?
Yeah, where is he?
I don't know.
Tie shoes now. Now back to the game. Well, I'll get the ball. Let me try again.
That's the third time he's disappeared today.
I know.
There he is! Huh?
Sorry, guys, but I had to go back to my room to tie my shoelaces again.
Huh?
See?
Couldn't you just do that here?
Not unless I bring my shoe tire 6000 here.
You have a machine to tie your shoes?
Yeah, and it's really cool.
Now this I gotta see.
Me too. Hey!
Guys, where did everybody go?
Well,
Basketball, baseball, football. Oh, when will it end? If only there were a way to control this overactive blue elf. But how can I control him? He's uncontrollable. Think.
Show us, Pixel.
okay, tie shoes now.
Huh? Ooh, it moves.
Watch this.
Wow.
See? It's a pretty simple machine.
Ooh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but Pixel, it seems like doing it yourself would be much easier.
No, it's a lot easier tying my shoes with a machine. Besides, this way, I don't have to remember how to tie them myself.
You don't know how to tie your shoelaces?
Well, I did, but I kind of forgot. Besides, I have a machine now that does it for me. Hey, I wish I had a machine that did everything for me.
Everything?
That doesn't sound right, Pixel.
Yeah, I think I'll make a machine like that. Come on, give me a hand. It'll be cool. Let's build it.
Okay.
Yeah.
In my cyberspace, I'm feeling happy cause everything's in place. Here on my floppy, it's true I can't deny, I'm just a gizmo guy. Give me a CD, a gig, a DVD. I love technology. I like to play on my power PC, a mouse click away, and life can be so easy. I feel so bright with max 1,000,000 megabytes. I like to play on my power PC, a mouse click away, and life can be so easy. I feel so bright with max 1,000,000 megabytes.
Behold, the one and only remote control 6000. With this, I can remote control anything.
Really?
Anything?
Anything.
Try it out.
Rewind.
Wow! That's amazing!
And there's more.
There's more?
Off.
Wow!
On.
Whoa, they're back on! This is just the coolest thing. Oh no, I dropped my lollipop.
No problem, Ziggy. Rewind.
It came back.
Sure did.
Do it again. Okay, dropping the lollipop.
Rewind.
Ew, Ziggy, that's disgusting. You're eating it off the floor.
Stephanie, it's the 3-second rule. If it lays on the floor less than 3 seconds, then it's fine.
Come on. Let's see what else my machine can do outside.
Yeah!
And I'll make you do your homework triple speed.
What are you waiting for? Hey, Sporticus!
Hi.
Guess what? Pixel's made a machine that can do everything for you.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah, I mean, he said it'll even do my homework for me.
Really?
Well, gotta go. Bye.
Bye. Maybe I should practice.
Start with some warm-ups.
Play. Fast forward. Yeah.
Wow.
Freeze.
Hey, whoa.
Play. See?
This is great.
Yeah.
Okay, Pixel. I'm ready to do my homework.
You got it. How fast do you want to go?
As fast as I can.
Well, here you go. Fast forward.
I'm done!
Yeah.
That machine is the greatest.
I definitely want one of those.
Allow me, Ziggy.
Okay,
Rewind.
rewind. So cool. Oh, I'm losing my lollipop.
And again.
Wow, this is great. It makes my smile smile.
Yeah, it sure is the easy life.
Pixel, a little help?
Whoa.
Why, thank you, Pixel.
Let's go see what else it can do. Play baseball.
Yay!
Let's do that again.
Ziggy?
Now let's shoot some hoops. Play. And reverse. And play. And reverse. And play. Cool. Watch what I do with the soccer ball. Play. And freeze. And play.
Can we play for real?
We are. We're playing everything at once. Play. Rewind. Fast forward. Freeze.
This is so boring.
What do you mean? This is great. Watch this. Boom.
Oh.
Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Freeze. You want to try now, Stephanie?
Pixel, this is boring. Can't we play?
That's what we're doing.
No, I mean with our hands, our feet, our bodies.
Yeah, this is no fun, Pixel. It's like having someone else eat candy for you.
Yeah.
Are those kids still playing?
Hey, guys, what's so bad about having a remote control that does everything for you?
What?
Oh, come on.
Well, we want to do something, right, Ziggy?
Yeah, what she said. We want to do something. And when we say something, we mean
Volume
something
down.
that's not nothing.
Pixel, turn it back on.
Volume up.
Can't do this to people because people are people. And
Oops, a
I'm
little
a
loud.
people person, so I should know. Huh? What?
Pixel, I can't believe you would do that. Ziggy's your friend.
I know.
Come on, Ziggy, let's go.
Just kidding. I mean, guys, wait. Pause. Cool.
Yeah. Pixel!
Play.
Ziggy, are you okay?
I was frozen solid as a popsicle.
Come on, Ziggy. Let's get out of here.
Wait, guys, don't go.
Pixel Snixel.
Oh.
This machine is the answer I've been looking for. With this thing, I could. Dare I say it? Remote control Spartacus forever.
Play.
I must get that remote. Huh? I must get that remote.
If this remote control makes me lose my best friends, then I don't want it anymore.
I must get that remote. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Turn out the lights. Remote control!
I feel better already. Yeah.
Let's try this thing out.
Märchen Trouble.
Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you, Sporticus.
Next time, wear a helmet.
Oh, yes, of course. Sporticus? Are you asleep up there?
Things are definitely looking up in the world.
I like to take naps, too.
Freeze!
Hey, what's going on?
Sporticus!
And the mayor.
Uncle, he's frozen too! Pixel,
Yeah.
how could he do this?
He couldn't do it. But I could.
Robbie Rotten!
What have you done?
Where have you been? You. Children should definitely be seen and not heard. Forever. Nothing. Yes. And now for you, Frozicus. Play.
Robbie, what?
I'm sorry. Fast forward. Freeze. Rewind. And now the cha-cha-cha. Hey. Wow. Round and round he goes. Where he'll stop, nobody knows. Stop. Sorry. Hey, Sporticus. Think fast. Freeze. Look at him now. Rosicus.
Huh? Sporticus! Mayor! Stephanie, Ziggy! I gotta do something! My shoelaces again! No! Robbie's got my controller! And everyone's in trouble! I can do this! I can do this!
Now, to finally remove Sporticus from LazyTown forever.
In Africa, you can actually find the largest animal life on land, the elephant. Join us next week when we will look at the king of the jungle, the lion. You've been watching The Wild Child.
Sorry, wrong channel.
Under, sideways, down. I did it! I did it! Oh, no!
Spartacus. Fast forward! Ha! Oh, no!
Huh? Whoa! Got it! Yeah! Yeah! Play! Just in time! Yeah! Yeah! Stephanie and Ziggy! Play! Volume up!
All right.
I can hear you!
I can hear you.
Oh!
Yeah! I did it! I did it! Spartacus! I did it!
Yes, you did!
Yeah, you tied your shoes.
Yeah! And now I can do it all by myself.
But don't you miss your shoe tying machine?
No, I found an even more incredible machine.
Not again.
No, guys, it's my body.
And the more you use it, the better it gets.
Yeah, now I can do anything without a machine.
Let's dance.
Come on, guys!
Bing bang, digga digga dong. Funny words I sing when I am dancing, dancing. Bing bang, digga digga dong. Silly words that can mean anything.
Music!
Get on up, it's time to dance, yeah. It's so much fun being up on our feet. So we go up, up, do the jump, move around and clap your hands together, together. Down, down, turn around, having fun is what it's all about.
Oh, yeah. Go, Robbie. And reverse. Freeze. I think I better turn this thing off. Oh, yeah.